Alright, you guys, I hope everybody's doing very good out there in the old YouTube land. It's a nice fall day and we are doing it, finally. First time in my life we're doing it, you guys. Can you believe that? It's been a long time coming. Oh, you probably want to know what? We are going to go throw a line in the water and do some fishing. It should be entertaining because you're looking at a complete newbie fisherman. So we're going to go see what happens. So stick around, it should be interesting. Yeah, it's hard to get the, I'm liking the chin mount for sure. That's the way to go. I like the angle. I've never used it before the GoPro, but it is hard to kind of get the angle because when you stand, the angle goes a little off, especially if you're going uphill. You don't see much. I learned that the other day. I made a video and it didn't turn out very good. But if you're sitting, the angle's not bad, but it's when you stand, so you got to kind of hold your head in a funny position. Or you can find a happy medium, I suppose. Also, the media mod works great on here, you guys. I don't even have a mic. I've just got the camera, and then the mic on the media mod is facing to the back. So the sound comes out actually quite good. Boy, I'm looking forward to getting some rain. These trails are going to turn just amazing. Boy, look at that for colors, you guys. Isn't that amazing? And you just know there's a bear out there watching us. I just can't see them at the moment. So we're going to that little lake. I actually did a video there a few weeks back. No, that's probably a good while ago. That was probably a month ago now. And I got a few comments. People said, yeah, you should toss a line in the water there and see what happens. And you know what? I've never been much of a fisherman other than going with my dad when I was really young over to Vancouver Island, and he liked to go salmon fishing. My dad was into fishing quite a bit. I got tons of his old gear. He left me, of course. So tons of gear, like 10 fly fishing rods, and I don't even know the good stuff from the bad stuff, to be honest. I just grabbed what looked like a fly fishing rod and a new reel. I think it was pretty new, and yeah, we'll see what happens. See if I can get you guys a bit of a view from up here. These little trees are kind of just in my way. It's not a bad view there. It's a little bit hazy. There must be, I think there's some fires still burning down in the lower mainland, or around Hope maybe, or somewhere. I can't remember, but it's been pretty clear. But the last few days we've had this real slight haze. Oh, there's a big, I think those are birch trees, aren't they, the white ones? Or poplar or birch, something along those lines. So yeah, we're going to one of my top secret lakes here. I don't even know if there's going to be fish in it. It's not really the goal to catch fish today, even though we're going fishing. I just want to, it's a bit of an art to fly fishing, so just wanted to see if I can cast into the water and get, you know, kind of do what you're supposed to do, I guess you'd say. Cool rock there. Okay, I'm not really sure about this, but we'll give it a go anyways. I know my riding skills are on point. It's just my fishing skills probably might not be there. Oh, it is fairly dry. Yay, I hope. Look at that. Oh wow. So you don't want to go out too close out there because it's definitely a little marshy. You should Should be able to turn around, I hope. Oh, it's even mucky there. Beauty. So I know you guys are gonna have to be a little easy on me. This is my first time fly fishing, and that's a true story, but I can pretty much already tell you guys that I'm already a professional because I've watched a couple YouTube videos, and that pretty much qualifies you to, no, that, LOL, I'm a total newbie. Oh, I think we need a thing. Okay, you guys, the Maiden Cast, Maiden Voyage. We're not, no hook neither, we're just gonna do some casting and see if I can even get close to proper without falling in. It's actually pretty fun, you guys. I'm definitely not very good at it, but practice makes perfect, I suppose they say. And I do keep letting too much line out and snagging the trees on shore, but... So yeah, that was fun, you guys. Definitely drop some comments and let me know where you guys fish and what you get up to. I never thought about really fishing. Even though I live in Canada, there's literally streams and creeks and lakes, and there are probably millions of them. And I go by them all the time, so I could see how it'd be pretty fun to catch a fish and cook them up right there on the side of the trail and do some moto camping maybe in the future as well. So yeah, but like I said, you guys, drop some comments. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit that, and a thumbs up never hurts, and I will see you guys on the very next video. Right on, bro.